How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be discussing polymorphism in Java. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. So polymorphism means an object can take on multiple forms. So for our example, we have class DC characters, class Batman, class Superman, and class Joker. So the Batman, Superman, and Joker class extend the DC characters class. So if you want to create a normal DC character, it's going to use the method called sayHi, which by default it will say I am a DC character and I am a hero by default. Then let's go to our Batman. Our Batman is going to have a name called Batman, and then its role is going to be a hero. Then it's going to say I am Batman and I am a hero. And then for Superman, it's going to be the same thing. I am Superman and I am a hero. Then for Joker, it's going to say, I am Joker, and I am a villain. What the? So let's go to our main method of our DC characters class. So polymorphism is beneficial if you want to make a list of different objects. So let's say you have an array called DC characters list is equal to new DC characters, and we'll have 4 characters. And let's say for our first element in our DC characters array, we'll just have a regular DC character. So we'll have list 0 is equal to new DC characters. Then for our second element, we'll have new Batman. Then for our third, we'll have new Superman. And new Joker. Alright, so let's have a for loop, and we'll have int I is equal to 0, I is less than list.length, had a brain fart there, I++. Then for each line, for each iteration, we're going to have list at I call on the sayHi method. So let's see what happens when we run this. Alright, so our first element, I am a DC character and I am a hero. I am Batman and I am a hero. I am Superman and I am a hero. I am Joker and I am a villain. So the benefits of polymorphism is that it can take on multiple forms. So you're not restricted to creating one array list or one list of Batman objects or one list of Superman objects and one Joker objects. You can make DC characters array, but in each element it will be different types of classes that extend the DC characters array. So that's the benefits of polymorphism. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.